Talking about hip replacement, have you been told that you have bone on bone? And that, oh my gosh, what does this mean? For one, surgery. After that, recovery. Am I going to recover well? What about the scar tissue? How much pain more pain am I going to have to go through? Many, many, many times, almost always, the pain that's in what you feel is in your hip is coming from somewhere else in your body, some other misalignment, some other muscles that have shut off and are not doing their job to protect your hip joint, which are like shock absorbers. So if you consider your car, if you have a car, perfectly good shocks, you go down the road, you go over bumps, you go, oh, a little bump, no problem, you keep going. If you didn't have shocks in your car, every single bump would be jarring, would be painful, it would just ruin your car within a short period of time. Well, you are your car in this case. When your muscles are not functioning properly to protect your hip joint, that's where all the pain, all the jolt, and the force of nature comes to your hip joint. So with the ARPWave machine, our little time machine, we can turn those muscles back on to support the joint as your shock absorbers, take the pain out of that area. You very, very well, many, many cases do not need surgery. At least give us a chance to see, to show you or let you see for yourself if you can have pain relief without surgery. If by any chance you choose to go ahead and have surgery, or you've just had surgery, you're reading this to see, what else about hip replacement should you know. We can help you recover faster because, again, we're working with those muscles to now, with your new hip, to support it so that you continue to have the strength and gain back the life exposure experience that you want in your life. Come see me, Jeff Claflin, America's Wellness Clinic, and we'll alleviate that hip pain and the need for hip replacement for good. My name is Jeff Claflin. I'll see you at America's Wellness Clinic.